In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Open Instagram app on your mobile device. Check View and Settings. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap onto Archive. Tap the top drop-down menu and make sure it is set to Stories Archive instead of Posts. Back to Settings and Activity, scroll down and open Archiving and Downloading. Then verify Save Story to Archive is turned on. Reset and refresh Archive. Turn Save Story to Archive off. Wait 15 seconds and toggle it back on to refresh the feature. Close the app completely. Long press the app and select App Info, then select Storage. From bottom tap on Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then hit OK to continue. Open Instagram. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll to down and tap on Log out of your account completely and sign back in to force a data sync. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.